Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up DaVinci Resolve for Subtitle Burn in Deliverables easy tutorial step by step clearly. Open DaVinci Resolve and load your project. Navigate to the Edit workspace at the bottom of the interface. Import the video file you wish to add subtitles to by clicking on the media pool. Once the video is in the timeline, right-click and select. To add a subtitle, position the playhead on the timeline where you want the subtitle to appear. Right-click on the subtitle track and select Add Subtitle from the menu. In the Inspector panel, type in your subtitle text. Adjust the in and out points of the subtitle by dragging the edges of the subtitle in the timeline. Continue adding subtitles by repeating the previous two steps for the desired length of your video. Once all subtitles are added, go to the Deliver page at the bottom of the screen. In the Render Settings panel, choose your desired video format and resolution. Make sure to check the subtitles section in the render settings. Select Burn into Video to have the subtitles appear directly on the video. Adjust any additional settings according to your project needs. Choose a destination for the file by clicking on Browse in the bottom section. Name your file and click Add to Render Queue. Finally, click on Start Render to begin the export process with burnt-in subtitles. Wait for the rendering process to complete. Once finished, navigate to your chosen destination to find your video with burnt-in subtitles. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.